Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be doing, as you can see by the title, a makeup video. Welcome to 2021. It's my first video of 2021. I'll be doing a makeup look that was inspired by a look that I found on Facebook. If I could put it on the screen, I'll put it. So yes, I'm gonna do this makeup today. Well, try. Today I will be using a 100 color eyeshadow palette. Its name is Roof. This palette has a lot of pretty colors that I will be using today. And also I will be using these cute, pretty, what do you call them again? Brush. What are they called? This is the company. Well, me not promote no company, but them I brush I'm gonna use. Yep. And they're cute. I got them from my sister-in-law. So thank you. She's right behind of me hiding, but okay. So today I will be just jumping into this video. No long talking, so let's get straight to this video. Peace.